Kipat ba nong shnong na kilang kari khasi jaintia bat garu kilami lang shakmat ban pindep ya kakamram kum kinong thap vote na kabenta ban JD MP ban mi khmat ya jila shaka yeng dor bar thawan la ui ban adu min step hadu kapor min sngi kipat ba kilami lang man pin schem ya nong rim jongki ha u la ni ka kirtong ba kila jin
हाँ अंदर
Elections in Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now that is something which we have to deal with in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening. Poking each other, pushing people to say regretful things. This is something which Meghalaya has not seen. And this dirt that they have brought along into this political scenario of Meghalaya is regretful. Very, very regretful. I have been actively involved in politics since I was like 8, 9, 10 years old. I've never seen this hate. Now that is dangerous because that is what is going to destroy us.
Ma'am, how confident?
Confidence. This is the first time I have fought the MP election. I will not say I'm confident. I will say that my team has worked well. My party has coordinated very efficiently this one time. Every soldier is on the ground. Every member of the party is actively involved in this garnering of support for the party. And if you ask me whether or not that will yield positive results, I believe it will, because every boot on the ground is aggressively fighting the hate politics that has emerged in the state of Meghalaya in just this one MP election.